to give me feedback or something. So we have this image and this image and the entries in the rounded entries. So as you can see, I have this pancake view for the rounded edges of the entries and sharpened shadows for the shadows inside. Whoa. Just a second, my Visual Studio is acting up, so that's I'm going to use a namespace declaration so that I can call our package. Let's say our namespace. And another one, I'm going to give sh for the sharpened shadows. Go. So I can start by inserting our image for the Instagram text. So I'm going to insert it right here at the top. And because it looks like it's somehow at the center, I'm going to give it a horizontal option of center. And another thing, our stack layout seems like it has some spaces at the edge. So let me see. We have 30. I'm guessing it's around the same on the other side. Yeah, it's 30. So I'm going to give this stack layout a margin of 30 and 30 so that it can leave some space at the edges. So that's a margin of 30 and 30. Yeah, that's 30 at the left and 30 at the right. Okay, so we are done with the Instagram text. So let me see the separation between our text and our input, our entry. So that's about okay. I'm going to say 50. Yeah, 50. A margin of 50. So, and another one for the second entry. So let me see the separation between the second entry and the first entry and the second entry. The distance between, that's 35. Yeah. So I'm going to give this a margin of 35. Top margin of 35. Okay, I think until there we are fine. And this one, it was a margin of about 50. Top margin of about 50. So inside the pancake view, and I just estimated the corner radius of this thing to about 30. Let me see. I did it fits perfectly. Yeah, you know, like a shoe, when you go, you fit. Okay. 30. Yeah, it's about 30. Apparently you haven't closed something. Okay, there. So inside our pancake view, I'm going to call the sharpening shadows, right? Second, and Android has something about your entries usually have an underline, like an automatic underline. So we're going to remove that by creating a custom renderer. So these are classes, or yeah, that you can use to access the underlying properties of an element. So because Xamarin.forms offers elements natively, you have access to like Android libraries and all of that. So let me just add a new item. We're going to add a new class that is going to I'm just going to name it my entry. So this class, I'm going to make it public. Public class my entry extends, it extend entry. Its namespace using Xamarin.forms. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to call this my entry from Android. Not exactly calling, but I'm going to create a renderer for it so that let me just add a new class, new item, and a class. I can just call the class entry. That's custom render. So what you're going to do on this class, we are looking for a control, and we are setting the on element change. So if the element changes, we want to set the background color of the control to transparent so that we don't have the automatic underline in Android. So I'm going to extend entry renderer and show potential fixes, yeah, using platform.android. So what I just did there, I extended from this class of context so that it does not show us that it's obsolete. And so I'm going to override the on element change event. Okay, override. Okay, that's on element change event argument, and so we're going to set control dot set background color. Control dot set background color. We're going to set the background color of our entry to transparent so that it does not have the automatic underline. So our color is I think my Visual Studio just closed itself. Just a sec, guys. Recover selected. Anyway, I can just be explaining this. I said here we're going to be using a pancake view and a stack layout.